We are near one of the busiest roads in the city, the ITO intersection, for the BPTP presents the NDTV Be the Solution campaign. Now what we have been doing for the past few days is to involve you, the residents of Delhi, in this great initiative. What we are saying is, enough of criticism, enough of negativity about the Commonwealth Games. It's time to come forward and make a difference in your own small way. And we have some very special guests here to talk to us about that and to be part of our very special campaign. Our special guest here is Gaurav Gupta, a fashion designer, a resident of Delhi. Gaurav, thank you so much for being here with us. Tell us, how do you feel about this entire campaign ahead of the Commonwealth Games?
I think it's a really beautiful and a positive effort from BPTP and NDTV. I think thought has a lot of power and it makes a huge amount of difference. I know it contradicts the reality, but there is so much negativity around the whole games and the preparations, and obviously so. But I feel until unless people of Delhi stand up and rise up and feel that, okay, they also belong to the city and they have a responsibility towards it, I think that difference, that thought itself would make such a huge difference and would encourage the government to do better, even in the small span of time that we are left with.
Right.
And I think that collective thought of a community is very powerful.
Right. Very well said. And also, Gaurav, considering that, we have very little time left before the Commonwealth Games, and you are, of course, a proud resident of the city. What kind of a difference do you think people like you and me can make at this stage?
I think, well, to start thinking positive, planting trees, keeping the city clean, avoiding to go out actually to avoid traffic jams, to be more hospitable to people who are coming in for Commonwealth Games. Just generally being a civil and a responsible citizen, just to start with. I think that I would urge people to kind of even have that feeling to start with and then become that person.
Absolutely. So that really is the message, that you have to be positive, you have to come forward and make a difference. Let me also quickly tell you what we have actually been doing here. For the last couple of days, we have actually, had some lovely volunteers, students from schools and various colleges in Delhi coming forward to participate in this campaign of ours. And they have, in fact, been working hard to make a difference in their own small way. For example, if I could just ask my camera person to pan the camera, you can see this barren land here. You know what we're trying to do with it? We are trying to turn it green by planting saplings and laying grass here. And in fact, I can tell you that just yesterday we planted some 2,000 saplings here with the help of our lovely volunteers. All these kids are all pumped up and hoping that they can make their a small difference in their own little way for the Commonwealth Games.